morning. I hope everyone's enjoying their weekend. So here I have the template that I made on the CO2 printer that I have. I ended up making it into some puzzle pieces that I fit together because the pizza peel is actually bigger than the printer itself. So the top is actually an 18 by 18 square, and then the handle itself is about 30 inches in length. So kind of making this kind of as a tester first, and I will probably move forward with making some more of these. I do like how it came out, so we'll see how things move forward with some more of these. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you have a wonderful Super Bowl Sunday.